watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
When it comes to kitchen design, we all want a space that's not just functional but also stylish and inviting. Adding a touch of glam to your kitchen can elevate the space, making it a beautiful and inspiring place to spend time. Whether you're cooking, eating, or just enjoying a cup of coffee, a glamorous kitchen brings a special touch of elegance to your daily routine. Let's explore some ideas to transform your kitchen into a chic, glamorous space you'll love. Bold glam kitchen with white cabinetry. Start with a foundation of white cabinetry, then add gold handles and edging for a touch of elegance. A hot pink chandelier and acrylic stools with pink cushions add bold color and a modern flair. Gray and metallic accents. Opt for a glam kitchen with white cabinets, a gray backsplash, and countertops. Complement the look with a shiny hood, metallic chandeliers, hot pink stools, and gold fixtures for a stylish contrast. Sunburst chandeliers. Create a chic glam kitchen by pairing white and black cabinets with white marble tiles. Add cool sunburst chandeliers and gold and white stools to complete the luxurious look. Peach accents. Combine white cabinetry with peachy stools featuring gold legs and a peachy kitchen island. Copper pendant lamps add a warm, inviting glow to this chic space. Chocolate brown island. For a sophisticated touch, pair white cabinets with a chocolate brown kitchen island. Crystal chandeliers and elegant curved stools bring the glam factor up a notch. Marble and pink accents. A chic glam kitchen with white cabinets and marble countertops can be elevated with pink blooms, pink glasses with candles, and gold touches for a feminine and luxurious vibe. Contemporary brass elements. In a contemporary glam kitchen, white cabinetry and marble tiles are enhanced by glam brass chandeliers and acrylic and brass chairs, creating a striking modern look. Light pink details. A cute glam kitchen with white cabinetry, stone countertops, and a crystal chandelier feels cozy with touches of light pink, like a lavender daub bed. Feminine pink cabinets. Make a statement with pink cabinets, a gray backsplash, and white countertops. Dusty pink pendant lamps with fringe add a feminine, glam touch. Vintage-inspired gray and gold. A glam gray kitchen with vintage-style cabinetry is made luxurious with gold handles and edging, a white marble kitchen island, and brass fixtures. Light gray and gold. A glam kitchen with light gray cabinets, a catchy tile backsplash, and gold fixtures is both modern and timeless. Add gold vases, bowls, pendant lamps, and stools to elevate the look. Pink cooker and hood. A glam kitchen with white cabinets is instantly memorable with a pink cooker and matching hood. Brass and copper detailing, plus a pink pedal lamp, create a unique, standout space. Tropical glam. Bring in a tropical vibe with white cabinetry, a pink tile backsplash, and matching stools. Pink tableware and pendant lamps add a playful yet elegant touch. Modern brass backsplash. A modern glam kitchen featuring white and brass cabinets, a brass backsplash, countertops, and fixtures creates a wow factor that's hard to beat. Graphite gray and gold. For a modern glam look, pair white and graphite gray cabinetry with a white stone backsplash and countertops. A glam hood and gold handles add that luxurious finishing touch. Retro pink and gold. Create a show-stopping kitchen with white cabinets, a white and gold hood, hot pink stools, and a retro chandelier. This combination is both glamorous and fun. Neutral with silver accents. A neutral glam kitchen with black countertops, shiny silver stools, a crystal chandelier, and pink florals offers a subtle yet sophisticated look. Gray stone and crystal chandeliers. A neutral glam kitchen with white cabinetry, gray stone countertops, shiny crystal chandeliers, and gray tiles is the perfect blend of elegance and charm. White marble elegance. Opt for a neutral glam kitchen with white cabinets, white marble countertops, and a backsplash. Gold handles and a crystal chandelier add a luxurious touch. Vintage glam with mirror accents. Create a neutral vintage glam kitchen with white cabinetry, touches of mirror, white marble countertops, gold handles, and gold cage chandeliers for a timeless yet glamorous look. These stunning glam kitchen design ideas offer endless inspiration to create a space that's not just functional, but also a beautiful reflection of your style. Remember, your kitchen is the heart of your home, and with these design ideas, it can also be the most stylish room in your house. Happy decorating!